Hey guys, so today I am going to be doing the luxury lockdown tag and I'm super excited because Maria tagged me. I will link the video that she did for this tag below. Her 5 picks are absolutely amazing. I loved all 5, so definitely check her video out. So basically you choose 5 handbags, but you cannot choose the top 2 brands that you have in your collection. For me, I don't have that many luxury bags to begin with, but the luxury bags that I do own are from Louis Vuitton. I mean, I do have other brands, I guess contemporary brands, and so the next brand would definitely be Longchamp or Rebecca Minkoff. I didn't go in and count them, but I have a lot of them. I probably have more Rebecca Minkoff than Longchamp, but yeah, so definitely for high luxury would definitely be Louis Vuitton, and I still don't even have a lot from Louis Vuitton. I do want to do a collection, so if you want to see that, definitely let me know below. But yeah, I am just really excited because basically this is like my little wish list. So let's get started. But first, before I get started, I just want to mention, I obviously want to read the room. There are, really scary, stressful things going on in our world right now, and have been, and now even more so right now. And I will tell you that beginning of lockdown of 2020, handbag videos was my great escape. Even doing videos is a great escape for me, but definitely watching handbag videos when my stress and anxiety is at an all-time high, I will watch handbag videos, I don't even know, for hours, and it just helps me just escape reality for a little bit and get my mind off of things. So if you make handbag videos, you definitely have gotten me through 2020 for the past 2 years, but definitely 2020 for sure, when it was super high stress. I can't tell you. So if you do handbag videos, just know I definitely have probably watched your videos and it has helped me. So if I can do that for somebody today, that would mean a lot, because you guys have no idea how much watching handbag videos really helps soothe my stress and anxiety. And again, it's just that nice little escape for a little while. And yeah, so I just want to mention that, and that's why I'm doing that today, because me doing this is an escape, and obviously watching videos is a great escape. So if I can do that for you, I hope this will help you. So let's get started. So the first thing is a YSL College Medium Bag. And this bag, I'm not a big YSL person at all, I will be honest. I feel like everyone's buying YSL these days. I don't know what it is, but the college bag has my heart. The first time I saw someone talk about it on YouTube, I never saw it before, because honestly, I don't go on YSL's website. Honestly, the only website I go on is Louis Vuitton and Chanel. Let's just be real, okay? As high end luxury. But when I saw this YSL college bag, I was like, what is that bag? And right away I had to look it up. And then I saw the price tag and I was like, oh man. But it is all leather, so you have to think of it that way. Still a lot of money. But yeah, I just love the YSL college bag. It's just such a cute bag. I don't know what it is. It's so cute. I love crossbody bags. It's my jam. I mean, I love a tote shoulder bag, but I love a crossbody, especially this day and age and the world we're living in. I love a crossbody bag. It's just so easy. I don't have to set it down anywhere. You know what I mean? My hands are free, and that's what I love these days with a crossbody bag. I don't have to lay it down anywhere. The second one, this bag has had my heart for years. It's high on my wish list, and it is the Chanel Mini Rectangle. Now, something about Chanel, I do not like a double flap. Never had one. I know I'm not going to like all these flaps and things and trying to get my stuff out of the bag, unless it's going to be a bag I literally use to go to dinner and come home. But I would like something that I could potentially use all day for the most part, or at least hours on end, and feel comfortable using it, even using it to go to the mall or whatever. That's why I like the Chanel Mini Rectangle. There's no double flap. I know on the pre-love market you can buy a single flap. And recently I was watching someone's video and they showed a Chanel Easy flap, I think it's called, and it has a flap, but then it has a zipper, and the texture of the bag and everything is not as structured as a regular double flap bag. And I'm like, oh my god, I love this bag. However, you only can get it on the pre-love market, and it's not that I'm like against buying pre-loved, but there's just nothing like a brand new handbag. I purchased one pre-loved handbag and it was a Speedy 25, which I ended up selling. I bought it pre-loved on Poshmark and I sold it on Poshmark, and I really loved it. I never actually used it because then I think I got it and it was just so small, and my body type at the time, I just felt like this bag against me looked really, really small. And yeah, I don't know. I almost feel like I should have just kept it, but I didn't really feel that feeling when something's brand new. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know. You guys know what I mean if you love handbags, but, and let me know if you guys buy pre-loved, like, how is it? I mean, I guess unless you are, you know, purchasing the bag that was maybe used once or twice, but I mean like a used bag, I can't do it. I really, really honestly can't. But the easy flap looks really pretty too, so that's on my wish list. Maybe I need to do a whole separate like wish list video for like each brand, especially the ones where I have a big wish list for. But anyway, yeah, that's why I choose the mini rectangle, but the price on that is so high now. It's incredibly crazy. I mean, I wanted it for many, many, many years when it was a lot cheaper back in the day, but it is what it is. And then I kind of wonder, like, how's the quality? Like, I just don't want to spend all that money and be let down. So who knows? You guys let me know. All right, the third bag is definitely still expensive, but more in my price range. And it's the Aspinall of London Mini Mayfair bag, and in the color Soft Taupe. I really want a lighter color for this bag because this bag is absolutely gorgeous. It's just a little bit like, it's more dressy. It's definitely not something that I would use like on a daily basis, but I just feel like I can just see myself like all dressed up for the spring and summer and wearing this bag, even bringing this bag like to the beach. I don't know, going out to like a nicer restaurant or something. I don't know, going to a winery. I just feel like it's such a beautiful bag. It's just so pretty, and basically all of the bags in my collection that I have are dark colors. So I feel like this would be such a good bag to have, and the style is so pretty. But yeah, or even like in a bright color in this bag. I just love it. Love, 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 love. But there's just something about that Soft Taupe. It just looks really beautiful. They also have a color in ivory that's gorgeous too. Oh, that Mini Mayfair. They did have it like in a blue metallic color, but they don't have it anymore on the website. But if that came back, I probably would get that blue bag as well. It's just so pretty. I don't know. I can just like see myself in this beautiful like flowy spring dress using the crossbody to it. And Kate Middleton loves this bag, and I love everything Kate Middleton, so I have to have it, right? But yeah, so that bag's under $1,000. It's still a lot of money. But yeah, I mean, they always have sales on their website as well. So just take a look for that. Keep a lookout for that. All right, number 4, the Selene Nano luggage bag. Again, I'm all about the crossbody. Can you tell? All about the crossbody bags. This bag, I don't know. I love it, but then it's like, do I have to have it? But I feel like it's just like one of those staples. I would probably try to get this like in a color versus black, but in black it just looks so good. I mean, I don't know. I'm so basic, I guess. But yeah, that bag is just so pretty with the top handle. And I just feel like you can fit quite a bit in it without having to buy the big jumbo size. And it's just like really pretty. And honestly, it's kind of understated. It's like, if you know, you know type of thing. And it just looks just very classic. It would just go with everything. You can kind of wear it casually or even dressed up, honestly. I mean, not like, you know, formal dress up, but like, you know, dressed up to go out to dinner and stuff. I don't know. I just think it's just a great, great bag. All right, number 5, this has been discontinued. I don't know if I would ever buy it because, again, the whole pre-love situation, but the Balenciaga Mini City. Okay, I almost got a pink one, 2018. I think it was like on Neiman Marcus. And it was, I think it went down to like 1,000 even on clearance. And it sold out within like a second. And the reason why I didn't like jump on it was because I was like, okay, this is like $1,000. I regret it so much. And like the strap, it was, you know, it was a hot pink bag, and the strap had Balenciaga in black, and I was like, oh my god, it's like so perfect. Nope. Missed out. I think it was the mini. I'm trying to think, but anyway, I wanted like a hot pink bag, and it was like everything that I wanted, and it was just so cute. But even like the regular size is nice, but I feel like now definitely a mini, because a bigger one I just feel like it's just too big and it's just overly slouchy. And I have the Minkoff Reagan satchel that's supposed to like mimic the Balenciaga, and it's just very slouchy. I killed that bag. I still have it. I'm thinking about selling it on Posh, but it's like it's really used. I use that bag every day for a long time, and it's just very, very slouchy. So I feel like the mini, even though it might still have a little bit of slouch, but it won't be like flopping over everywhere. I stare at that bag so much. I'm like always on Poshmark looking to find like a really good deal, but I will probably never pull the trigger for it because, again, pre-loved, I don't know what it is. I just want that, I love that special feeling. And I feel like especially for my first Chanel purchase, I really would like to go into the boutique. Alrighty, so if you have any other wish lists that you would like me to share with you with any other specific brand, definitely let me know below. I honestly think I might do a Louis Vuitton and a Chanel one. I think that would be a lot of fun because, especially for, I mean, I know everyone's talking about Louis Vuitton these days, right, with this price increase. I honestly can't even believe that it never falls $2,000. Like, what? So crazy. What, the GM is $2,100? Oh my god. Oh my god. I know, right? Everyone keeps talking about it, but it is what it is, right? But anyway, so maybe I'll do a wish list for those brands. But if there's any other brands that you would like me to do, definitely let me know below. If you're going to do this video, let me know so I can check it out. And if you don't do videos, please let us know down below what your top 5 handbags are right now, or top 1 handbag. I would love to know. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Bye guys.